Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Education LD. Today we all will be going to learn some daily use English sentences part 47. The rest 46 parts of this video is already being uploaded on our channel. So now let's start today's video without wasting any further time. Let's begin. Let's head on to the first sentence. You must have seen the movie already. आप वह फिल्म पहले ही देख लेनी चाहिए. आपको वह फिल्म पहले ही देख लेनी चाहिए. Next. She must have forgotten her keys at home. उसे अपनी चाबियाँ घर पर भूल गई होगी. She must have forgotten her keys at home. Next. They must have arrived by now. उन्हें अब तक आ जाना चाहिए. They must have arrived by now. Next. He must have left early to avoid traffic. उसे ट्रैफिक से बचने के लिए जल्दी निकल जाना चाहिए. He must have left early to avoid traffic. Next. We must have taken a wrong turn. हमें गलत मोड़ लेना चाहिए था. You must have heard the news by now. आपको अब तक यह खबर सुन ली. Next, you must have heard the news by now. आपको अब तक यह खबर सुन लेनी चाहिए. You must have heard the news by now. Next, she must have been really tired after the trip. यात्रा के बाद उसे बहुत थकावट महसूस हुई होगी. She must have been really tired after the trip. Next, they must have enjoyed the concert last night. उन्हें कल रात का कॉन्सर्ट बहुत पसंद आया होगा. They must have enjoyed the concert last night. Next, he must have studied hard for the exam. उसने परीक्षा के लिए मेहनत से पढ़ाई की होगी. He must have studied hard for the exam. Next, I must have misplaced my wallet. मैं अपना बटुआ कहीं रख दिया होगा. मैंने अपना बटुआ कहीं रख दिया होगा. I must have misplaced my wallet. Next, she must have been waiting for a long time. उसे लंबे समय से इंतज़ार करना पड़ा होगा. She must have been waiting for a long time. Next, they must have loved the surprise party. उन्हें सरप्राइज पार्टी बहुत पसंद आई होगी. They must have loved the surprise party. Next, he must have seen the doctor yesterday. उसे कल डॉक्टर के पास जाना चाहिए था. He must have seen the doctor yesterday. Next, you must have tasted this dish before. आप यह व्यंजन पहले चख लेना चाहिए था. Next, you must have tasted this dish before. आपको यह व्यंजन पहले चख लेना चाहिए था. You must have tasted the dish before. Next, she must have known about the meeting in advance. उसे बैठक के बारे में पहले से पता होना चाहिए था. She must have known about the meeting in advance. Next, they must have experienced similar situations. उन्हें इसी तरह की परिस्थितियों का अनुभव होना चाहिए. They must have experienced similar situations. Next, car. मैंने अपना फ़ोन कार में छोड़ दिया होगा. I must have left my phone in the car. Next, she must have finished her homework by now. उसे अभी तक अपना होमवर्क ख़त्म कर लेना चाहिए. She must have finished her homework by now. Next, you must have read that book. It's very popular. आपको वह किताब पढ़ लेनी चाहिए. यह बहुत लोकप्रिय है. You must have read the book. It's very popular. Next, they must have been excited about the trip. उन्हें यात्रा के बारे में उत्साहित होना चाहिए था. They must have been excited about the trip. Next, he must have been joking when he said that. जब उसने यह कहा तो वह मजाक कर रहा होगा. He must have been joking when he said that. Next, you must have heard her sing. She has a great voice. आपको उसे गाते हुए सुन लेना चाहिए. उसकी आवाज़ बहुत अच्छी है. You must have heard her sing. She has a great voice. Next, she must have a lot of friends at school. उसे उसके स्कूल में बहुत सारे दोस्त होने चाहिए. She must have a lot of friends at school. Next, they must have planned everything carefully. उन्हें सब कुछ ध्यान से योजना बनानी चाहिए थी. They must have planned everything carefully. Next, he must have been thrilled to win the award. पुरस्कार जीतने पर उसे बहुत खुशी हुई होगी. He must have been thrilled to win the award. Next, I must have misunderstood what you said. मुझे जो तुमने कहा उसमें गलत समझा हूँ. I have misunderstood what you said. Next, she must have been very happy with the results. उसे परिणामों से बहुत खुशी हुई होगी. She must have been very happy with the results. Next, you must have been studying all night. तुम सारी रात पढ़ाई कर रहे होगे. You must have been studying all night. Next, they must have gone to bed early last night. उन्हें कल रात जल्दी सो जाना चाहिए था. They must have gone to bed early last night. Next, he must have been busy with work lately. वह हाल ही में काम में व्यस्त रहा होगा. He must have been busy with work lately. Next, we must have overlooked some details. हम कुछ विवरणों को नज़रअंदाज करना चाहिए था. हमें कुछ विवरणों को नज़रअंदाज करना चाहिए था. We must have overlooked some details. Next, she must have been worried about the exam results. उसे परीक्षा के परिणामों को लेकर चिंता होनी चाहिए थी. She must have been worried about the exam results. Next, they must have enjoyed the vacations thoroughly. उन्हें छुट्टियों का पूरा आनंद लेना चाहिए था. They must have enjoyed the vacations thoroughly. Next, he must have worked hard to achieve success. उसे सफलता पाने के लिए मेहनत करनी चाहिए थी. He must have worked hard to achieve success. She must have received your message by now. उसे अब तक तुम्हारा संदेश मिल गया होगा. She must have received your message by now. Next, you must have seen the beautiful sunset yesterday. आपको कल का सुंदर सूर्यास्त देख लेना चाहिए था. You must have seen the beautiful sunset yesterday. Next, they must have had a great time at the party. उन्हें पार्टी में बहुत अच्छा समय बिताना चाहिए था. They must have had a great time at the party. Next, he must have learned a lot from that experience. उसने उस अनुभव से बहुत कुछ सीखना चाहिए था. उसे उस अनुभव से बहुत कुछ सीखना चाहिए था. He must have learned a lot from his experience. Next, we must have been more careful while driving. हमें गाड़ी चलाते समय अधिक सावधान रहना चाहिए था. We must have been more careful while driving. Next, you must have been very young when that happened. जब यह हुआ था तब आप बहुत छोटे रहे होंगे. You must have been very young when that happened. They must have felt relieved after finishing the project. परियोजना खत्म करने के बाद उन्हें राहत महसूस हुई होगी. They must have felt relieved after finishing the project. Next, he must have enjoyed reading that novel. उसे वह उपन्यास पढ़ने में आनंद आया होगा. He must have enjoyed reading that novel. Next, I must have been mistaken about the date. मुझे तारीख के बारे में गलतफहमी हो गई थी. I must have been mistaken about the date. Next, she must have been excited about her promotion. उसने अपनी पदोन्नति के बारे में उत्साहित होना चाहिए था. She must have been excited about her promotion. Next, you must have witnessed the accident. आपको उस दुर्घटना को देखना चाहिए था. You must have witnessed the accident. Next, they must have prepared well for the interview. उन्हें साक्षात्कार के लिए अच्छी तैयारी करनी चाहिए थी. They must have prepared well for the interview. Next, he must have needed help with his project. उसे अपने प्रोजेक्ट में मदद की ज़रूरत थी. He must have needed help with his project. Next, we must have miscalculated the expense. हमें खर्च की गणना में गलती करनी चाहिए थी. We must have miscalculated the expenses. Next, you must have enjoyed the show last night. आपको कल रात का शो बहुत अच्छा लगा होगा. You must have enjoyed the show last night. Next, she must have been thinking about her future. उसे अपने भविष्य के बारे में सोचना चाहिए था. She must have been thinking about her future. Next, they must have faced challenges during the trip. उन्हें यात्रा के दौरान चुनौतियों का सामना करना चाहिए था. They must have faced challenges during the trip. Next, he must have been surprised by the news. उससे इस खबर से आश्चर्यचकित होना चाहिए था. He must have been surprised by the news. Next, I must have overlooked the deadline. मुझे समय सीमा को नज़रअंदाज करना चाहिए था. I must have overlooked the deadline. Next, she must have been looking forward to the event. उसे इस कार्यक्रम का इंतज़ार करना चाहिए था. She must have been looking forward to the event. Next, you must have thought about the consequences. आपको परिणामों के बारे में सोचना चाहिए था. You must have thought about the consequences. Next, they might have appreciated your help. उन्हें आपकी मदद की सराहना करनी चाहिए थी. They must have appreciated your help. Next, he must have been feeling unwell. वह ठीक नहीं महसूस कर रहा होगा. He must have been feeling unwell. इसी के साथ हमारा आज का वीडियो ख़त्म होता है. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. Till then, tata, bye bye, take care, and yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Meeting you in the next video. Till then, tata, bye bye.